I'm going back to college. Well, kinda. I've been invited to go to Coleg for their open event, and I'm gonna go check out some part-time courses. I'm going to a welcome talk. Oh, it's through here. Okay. I'm here a bit early. Never early for school. I feel like a swan. Actually, that welcome talk was really interesting because they said that on a lot of courses they offer work experience, which is great if you're starting out. But if you're an adult going back into a different industry, that's really great too. Look at this building, it's massive. Gonna go look for the art department now. They got such a cool range of different facilities here, and I found out actually that if you can't afford the course fees, they have a free personal learning account. I mean, look at all these things. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna try a red room, which they have in the college. Oh, sick. Okay. That was cool. So they do a lot of trips. Just come back from Cannes and they're going to India now. And do you know what? I thought I would feel out of place here, but apparently across all campuses, there's 10,000 adults. Okay, now I'm going down to the science labs because apparently it's very good. Look at this lab. I had to ask what this one was, but it's for hazardous stuff. There truly is something for everyone here, whether you want a new job or you just want to get like a new hobby. Oh, and also if someone like me wanted to apply here, there's part-time courses throughout the year. I thought you just had to do it in September, but apparently they happen throughout the year. Do you know what? Student Union is very lovely and they got me a freebie.